Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for the HESI nursing entrance exam. First, familiarize yourself with the exam structure, including the number of questions and time limits for each section. Next, take a diagnostic test to pinpoint areas where you need the most improvement. This initial assessment is crucial for tailoring your study plan effectively. Finally, establish a realistic study schedule, dedicating specific times each day or week to different subjects. To master the HESI content, concentrate on the core academic subjects. Math sections often include basic arithmetic, fractions, and percentages, so practice these regularly. For reading comprehension, work on identifying main ideas and drawing conclusions from passages. Science sections cover general biology, chemistry, and anatomy and physiology, requiring a solid understanding of fundamental concepts. Use a variety of resources to reinforce your learning. Consistent practice is key to HESI success. Take several full-length practice exams to simulate the actual testing environment. After each practice test, thoroughly review your answers, especially the ones you got wrong. Understand why you made mistakes and what concepts you need to revisit. This process helps you refine your knowledge and improve your test-taking strategies, such as time management and eliminating incorrect options. As the exam day approaches, prioritize your well-being. Ensure you get sufficient sleep and eat nutritious meals to keep your mind sharp. On the day of the exam, arrive early at the testing center with all necessary identification and materials. Stay calm, read each question carefully, and trust in your preparation. A positive attitude and controlled breathing can significantly reduce test anxiety and help you perform your best.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.